Back. If you followed me in my last video, we talked about blogging as the tutorial that we are handling this period, and I explained the concept of blogging, what blogging is, and how to make money through blogging. But today we are continuing from where we stopped, and today we are moving on to how to really start a blog. So we are entering to the main topic of how to start a blog and make money through blogging. Yes, if you are new to this channel, this is online store, and in this channel we teach about online money making, how to make money online through blogging, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and the rest of them. And we have tons of videos that I've created here that can help you, that can teach you how to make money online in 2023. So please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into the real video. So what we're about to talk about today, in our previous video we talked about I explained what blogging is and how you can make money through blogging. So in today we are starting the real tutorial on how to really start a blog in 2023. So the first thing that you need to put in place is for you to choose a niche. Is for you to choose a niche. So the first thing is for you to choose a niche. In case you don't know what a niche is, a niche is simply an area of interest. Your niche is your particular area of interest where you have interest on. So let's say, for example, you have passion for weight loss. Let me just use that for instance. That weight loss is your niche. You have passion for sport. You have passion for how to make money online. It is your niche. That's your niche. For instance, if you watch my tutorial is all about how to make money online. So that is under finance niche. Weight loss is under health niche. So that is what you should do first. You have to choose a niche where you would like to teach or where you would like to write about. So this will help you to tailor your content, to write articles on that particular area. So each time someone comes to your website, the person knows that this is what I'm going to learn from this particular website. So you must choose a particular niche, and I will show you how to do that, how you can choose a niche. So before we now get to doing keyword research. So now you consider now you consider the particular area of interest, which is what really excites you. So this is crucial because because you'll be writing about it for a long time. So after choosing your niche, the next thing for you to do is for you to think about your expertise. What are you knowledgeable about? This will help you provide valuable content to your readers. After that, so let's say for instance, as you just plan to start blogging, think of the area that you know that at least you have, even though you don't even though you don't know all about it, just have a clue on it. Your area, what you are knowledgeable about. For instance, when I wanted to start, I didn't know much about what I knew. I didn't know much about this online money making. I didn't know about all those things. What I knew a little was on software, because by the grace of God, I'm a video editor, so I had knowledge on that. So on that particular niche, I can write articles, very well on that particular area. But on money making, I didn't know about it until I learned on YouTube, got some knowledge of it. So you can get knowledge even though on what you don't know, you can get a little knowledge of it by learning from someone in YouTube, or you go to Google, just look for instance, you can come here to Google and type in how to make money online. How to make money online. Then Google will populate content that other people have already written about. So you can click on any of it. Just click on it. Just what I'm showing you is what I did that gave me knowledge of what I'm teaching you now. I didn't have knowledge. I got this knowledge from learning from other people. So this is what I did also. I also went on YouTube, learn from other people, gather informations from here and there. Within 1 month, you'll be able to gather the knowledge of what you did not even know at all before. So from there, you'll be able to write about it. So, and also on something that you don't know about at all, I will also show you. Just follow me. I will show you how you can write articles on areas that you didn't know at all. So just follow me. Now, once you can choose, check on website like this, you know how to start a blog. Just start reading from here. You can use 1 week to do research and things like that, to gather knowledge before you really start. So let's move on. So once you do this, it will now give you idea on what to write about. So the next thing is for you to reach to make research. Look for popular blogs, as I told you, as I just showed you. Now what you do there is for you to look at what other people are doing. What are people talking about? What can you add to what people, that is, what value can you add to those things that you learned online? So that's why it's very important you go for area that you have a little knowledge about. And if you don't have knowledge about anything, just go to the comment section and right there tell me what area you would like to go. What area do you like to write about that you don't know? You can tell me. You can also write the level of how the level you have gotten to. How do you as in, you can also let me know your your level of expertise concerning that area. And if you don't know anything at all, let me know and I will guide you on how you can go about it. So go to the comment section and tell me which particular area you want to go for and your expertise in that area also. So now, after that, you have chosen your niche. Let's say, for instance, you have chosen health. For instance, let's just say like that. You have chosen health niche, or you have chosen finance niche. Let me just go that way. You have chosen finance niche, for instance. Now, finance is very broad. You don't just go and choose and start to write about finance. You have to narrow down. Which area of finance? Is it how to make money? Is it uh is it news? Are you on that? Is it your own? Is it about news? Or are you going on affiliate marketing? Are you going on blogging niche? Are you going on just narrow down? Or if you are going for health niche, for instance, which particular area you are going on wealth niche, you have to narrow down. Are you going to write about diseases and cure, or you want to write about weight loss, or you want to write about health for men or health for women, health for children? Are you going to write about body care? Just niche down. Make sure you niche down, sub niche them. This will help you to target a specific audience and be able to stand out from the crowd. If you just go like health is very broad. You cannot even, you won't be able to rank because health is very broad. So you must be able to target the particular niche that you want to write about before you start writing content. Don't just write something and spread it everywhere. No, 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 no. You just waste your time. So make sure you make research and then narrow it down according to what you have researched. And also, the mistake that most of us do is for us to, most people choose niches that are very high in competition. They are very high in competition. So, but in this tutorial, I will also show you when we move on, as we are going on, I will show you niches that are high in volume but is not so high in competition, that you can write about and rank for it. So that's why I say subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because this particular video, this particular tutorial is very huge. So you have to subscribe so that anytime I post this video, anytime I post any of this video, you'll be notified. So now let us move on. So after this, you have narrowed down. The next thing for you to do, and also if you don't know how to research for this, you can also go to the comment section, write there online store. Which niche should I go for? Or you can write online store, which niche is low in competition but high in volume, and I will give you an answer. I will give you a reply. So now, after that, after you have gotten all these, the next thing we will move on is for us to move to keyword research. You have chosen your niche, you have sub niche. The next thing is for you to look for to do keyword research before you start writing. So let's say, for instance, you want to write about, you have chosen health, for instance, and you have sub niche to weight loss, and you also sub niche to weight loss for women or weight loss for men. So let's say, for instance, you choose weight loss for women. The next thing for you to do is for you to research topics related to weight loss for men, and that, okay, weight loss for women, as you have chosen, maybe you choose weight loss for women. So it's for you to make research to get topics, huge topics that you can write on. You cannot just sit and think of what should I write about, what should I write about. There are many topics to write about on weight loss, but because you didn't know, you won't be able to write about those things. So in our next tutorial, I will show you I will explain to you how you can do all this research, do all the keyword research, and then bring out huge topics that you can write about on any particular niche that you are. But I will choose one niche, which is I'll just want to choose health niche. For instance, I'll just want to choose health niche to make an illustration to show you practical of all what I'm saying, so that you can use it to implement to other niches that you have chosen, and then you will be able to have topics to write about. So subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and let's wait for another tutorial.